Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Hey, we're gonna take a quick look at this 40 by 20 reverse flow that I was doing in, I think, 2 videos ago. I was finishing it up. I was waiting on those gauges to come in. But this is the 40 by 20 reverse flow with 20 by 20 vertical chamber. This one had the side door on it. They don't all come with the side door. It's kind of an add-on deal. But it is very convenient for getting inside there. That's the baffle plates in there, and they're removable. They're removable in case you did want to use it as a grill. You could use them as tuning plates then to make the heat move where you want it. There's an ash pan and fire basket down there. It also has a log lighter in it. That's the vent setup on this one. It can come without that, but it allows it to be used as a vertical smoker on this side. This is the other one that I was doing also. We got it all knocked out. Everything came out real good on it. I'm gonna do some at another time. This was kind of a custom order for somebody. And I'm gonna change a couple things, do a little bit different stuff on it. But everything came out good on it. So anyway, I'm fixing to jump into a vertical smoker. I still have the other reverse flow, a couple more going on. But I want to go ahead and start putting this together too. And it's one of the 24 by 24 verticals. You can see one of the reverse flows in the back there. I was trying to get that cap cleaned out. It was full of stuff. Somehow I keep ordering the wrong caps, and I've been using this one for way too long. I done burned probably a ½ inch off the top of it. I got it all welded out, got it put on the stand. I'm just kind of running through it on the video. That's the smoke pipe on the top. And this is the firebox door I'm working on. Just getting it framed out right now. These doors actually take a lot longer than you would think. By the time you get the framing put around it, then get the handles done, get the vents done, it takes a while to get these doors done. And this is the vent plate. I like to just put them together and cut them at the same time, that way they match up right. And this is the HTP plasma that I'm using. Got to get me a better circle burner. I mean, this one does fine, but one with a swivel in the head, I had bought one, but I ordered it online, and I didn't realize that it didn't fit this one. This is the hole for where the handle of the latch is going to go in. I'm using this Evolution drill press. That thing is a lifesaver. I love that thing. I do need to get my press back though and get that pulley fixed in it. That way I can take some of the workload off of it. This is a little sleeve that the handle is set up in. Just getting it tacked on, then I like to run the drill bit through it. There's always that little seam in there, and I like to just clean that out of there before I put it in. Put a little grease on them every time. Then I'm tacking washers to it. They tack in different places. It's just all part of making the handle set up. Start making sure everything moves while I'm tacking it. And just use some heat to bend it over. I had already had it bent the first time before I put it in there. And now we'll get the vent put on that we were cutting out a while ago. I just use little spacers. What I'm actually using for spacers is a broken cutting disc for a grinder. It's a little bit thinner than the 16 gauge. 16 gauge is about the thinnest I have here. Maybe some 24 or something like that here and there. But it's a little bit thinner than that 16 gauge, and I liked it as a spacer. So I've been holding on to those two pieces of broken blade for quite a while. Those things are harder to break than you would think too by hand. Then I'm just getting the door put on. Just some welding the hinges right here. And that's gonna just about wrap this video up. We'll come back on the next one and take another look at it. And that other reverse flow and another reverse flow. Several of them going on. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Y'all come back for the next one. I know I got several smokers going right now. I've got a stool that I want to do soon. So y'all come back and check it out on the next one.